For this tutorial we are covering capture image element in GMetri. Capture image can be used to get user to upload an image. In this project, we are going to use the capture image to get the user to click an image with their motorcycle in order for them to win goodies. Let us see how this is done. Click on Add Elements. Select Capture Image from Set of Elements. With the element selected, go to Properties tab. Here you can add a heading and description and methods through which the user can upload the image. Now let us add a connection to trigger capture image to get the user to upload image when they click on Win Goodies in this scene. Let us now see this in action. As you can see, the motorcycle enthusiast can now upload their favorite image with their motorcycle to win awesome goodies. The data from the capture image will be accessible from Analytics page of the corresponding projects. Thanks for watching.